Hi, this is Migo, your portable internet-enabled 3D printer. Migo was born to change your view of 3D printing. Simple and portable. Just plug it in and play. We always keep the highest industrial standards in mind. Life will be simple and exquisite with Migo. That's not all. Migo goes beyond your imagination. As inventors, we worked hard to make Migo smaller than small, achieving the maximum volume to size ratio. In fact, Migo is so compact, there are no unnecessary parts. Yet it's more powerful than other 3D printers. Furthermore, the replaceable printer head can fuel all your creative needs. That's how Migo makes your life more colorful. Migo was born for your creativity. Designed with built-in apps, Migo is perfect for anyone. Migo changes the way you print, letting you print creatively, anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Batch printing makes Migo more efficient than the competition. Multiple prints are just one click away, allowing you to instantly build your own printing factory. Amazing features make it the new standard in 3D printing. The printing process has never been so enjoyable. This is Migo, the fantastic future of quality, affordable 3D printing. Migo, best friend for life.